What's up, Penguin Army? Welcome to the first lesson in the KPENG KasSchool. In the first lesson, we will introduce you to some basics and what Kaspa actually is. Later lessons are coming and we'll be going deeper and deeper into Kaspa and the KRC20 topics to ensure you will understand it all and know what to do about it. KasSchool lesson 1 will be about the basics of Kaspa. But what even is Kaspa? Imagine a blockchain that is as fast as the speed of your thoughts, secure as Bitcoin, and scalable for the future. Kaspa is a next generation proof-of-work blockchain that is designed for scalability, speed, and decentralization. 2021 it was launched by Jonathan Sompolinski and in a team of developers inspired by Bitcoin, but aimed at solving its limitations. Unlike traditional blockchains, it uses a revolutionary technology called BlockDAG to process transactions faster and more efficiently. But what is BlockDAG? Coming to the basics of Kaspa and some key features. Basically, the key feature is BlockDAG technology. It allows blocks to be created and confirmed in parallel, making the network highly scalable. But what is a block? The key components of a block is the block header with its hash, which is a unique fingerprint of the block's data. The previous block hash links to the block to the ones before, creating a chain. The timestamp marks when the block was created, and the nonce is a number used in the proof-of-work process. The block body contains the actual data, typically transactions like sending or receiving cryptocurrency. And how do those blocks work in the blockchain? Blocks give group transactions together, ensuring they are processed and stored in an organized way. Each of those blocks is cryptographically linked to the previous block, making the chain secure and tamper-proof. Miners in proof-of-work or validators in proof-of-stake ensure the block's validity before adding it to the chain. In Kaspa, blocks don't form a single chain. Instead, they exist in a DAG, that means directed acyclic graph structure, where multiple blocks can be created and confirmed simultaneously. This parallel block generation increases network speed, reduces the likelihood of orphaned blocks, and allows high scalability while preserving decentralization. Transactions on Kaspa are confirmed in seconds thanks to its unique consensus mechanism, Ghost DAG. We're coming to that later as well. With all of that, Kaspa can process transactions in 1 second compared to Bitcoin's 10 minutes. So now coming to the next feature, GhostDAG. GhostDAG stands for Greedy Heaviest Observed Subtree Directed Acyclic Graph. It is the consensus mechanism used by the Kaspa blockchain. It enables Kaspa to process multiple blocks simultaneously without creating orphaned blocks, solving the scalability and limitations of traditional blockchain systems. The key points about GhostDAG are parallel block creation, which makes it way faster. We have no orphaned blocks, which means there are less used resources, more security, and no delay in confirmations. Next we have the consensus via heaviest subtree. GhostDAG orders the blocks based on the heaviest subtree of blocks, which means the most worked on part of the block DAG. This guarantees a fair and efficient ordering of blocks, even with high concurrency. And for sure with it we have high throughput and scalability by allowing multiple blocks to coexist and process simultaneously. GhostDAG significantly increases transactions throughput and reduces confirmation times compared to traditional linear blockchains. But why does it matter? BlockDAG makes Kaspa fast, scalable, and efficient while preserving decentralization and security. It's the foundation of Kaspa's ability to handle high transaction volumes without any bottlenecks. So now that we've spoken about the key features, still pretty on the open, tell us which topic you'd like to go deeper into in lesson 2. Now coming to the opportunities with Kaspa. For developers, it opens the door with its focus on scalability. With upcoming smart contracts, it would be a foundation for decentralized apps. Investors have its fun because of the high transition speed, making it attractive for investors seeking long-term blockchain solutions. Even for businesses, Kaspa can be an opportunity. With its high throughput and low fees, it makes it sustainable for industries like supply chain management, financial transactions, and gaming. It even has some potential for NFTs and tokenization, with creating tokens or NFTs, especially if smart contracts are implemented. And what is the future of Kaspa? Since smart contracts are coming, the introduction of smart contracts will enable the creation of decentralized apps, DeFi protocols, and NFT marketplaces on Kaspa, which means more volume on Kaspa. It's only time for the mass adoption because of its scalability and all the other features we just told you. Now coming to the end of the first lesson, with all its key features we just told you about, we just wanted to highlight why Kaspa stands out. First of all, it's the fastest and most scalable proof-of-work blockchain, and while it's doing that, it doesn't compromise on decentralization nor security. And it's future ready with smart contracts on the horizon as well, which means it only can blow up in the future if crypto is getting more into the mainstream and maybe gets even more usage into the real life. So now you know about the key features. Tell us what you might have not understand, if we had any incorrect information, and what should come next into the next lesson on the KPENG KasSchool. Stay healthy out there and educate yourself.